Hello everyone, I'm academician Dr. Lilia. Welcome to Science and Me YouTube channel. The mission of my channel is to introduce you to popular science and to create a popular science encyclopedia on YouTube. We are back with an interesting popular science video. I would be very happy if you support me by subscribing to my channel and writing a comment. If you are ready, let's start the video. The science of fear and phobias is a multidisciplinary field that combines insights from psychology, neuroscience, and evolutionary biology to understand why humans and other animals experience fear and develop phobias. Fear is a natural human emotion that is triggered when we perceive a threat. It is an adaptive response that helps us to survive by motivating us to avoid or escape danger. Fear is processed in the amygdala, a small almond-shaped structure in the brain. When we see or hear something that we perceive as a threat, the amygdala sends signals to other parts of the brain, including the hypothalamus and pituitary gland. These structures then release hormones, such as adrenaline and cortisol, which trigger the body's fight or flight response. The fight or flight response is a series of physiological changes that prepare the body to either fight or flee a perceived threat. Fear and its purpose. Fear is a natural and adaptive response to a perceived threat. It triggers a fight or flight reaction that prepares the body to respond to dangerous situations. This response includes physiological changes like increased heart rate, heightened alertness, dilated pupils, sweaty palms, increased alertness, and the release of stress hormones such as adrenaline, increased blood flow to the muscles. Neurobiology of fear. The amygdala, a small, almond-shaped structure in the brain, plays a central role in processing and regulating fear. It helps identify potential threats and coordinates the body's response to them. The prefrontal cortex is involved in evaluating the threat, making decisions, and regulating fear responses. It can modulate or inhibit the amygdala's activity. Fear memories are stored in the hippocampus and are subject to processes like consolidation, extinction, and reconsolidation. Phobias. Phobias are a type of anxiety disorder that is characterized by an intense and irrational fear of a specific object or situation. Phobias can be very disabling and can interfere with a person's ability to live a normal life. The exact cause of phobias is unknown, but it is thought that they are caused by a combination of genetic and environmental factors. Some people may be more predisposed to developing phobias than others. For example, people who have a family history of anxiety disorders are more likely to develop phobias themselves. Phobias can also be triggered by a traumatic experience. For example, someone who is attacked by a dog may develop a phobia of dogs. Phobias can be classified into three main types. Specific phobias. Specific phobias are the most common type of phobia. They are characterized by a fear of a specific object or situation, such as spiders, heights, or public speaking. Social phobias. Social phobias are characterized by a fear of social situations, such as parties or meetings. Agoraphobia. Agoraphobia is a fear of being in places where escape may be difficult or embarrassing, such as public transportation or crowded places. Phobias can also be classified according to their severity. Mild phobias may cause some anxiety, but they do not interfere with a person's daily life. Moderate phobias can cause significant anxiety and may interfere with a person's ability to work, go to school, or socialize. Severe phobias can be debilitating and can make it difficult for a person to leave their home. Common phobias include arachnophobia, fear of spiders, and acrophobia, fear of heights. Phobias can be acquired through direct experience, vicarious learning, or information transmission. Classical conditioning, where a neutral stimulus becomes associated with fear, is often involved in the development of phobias. Treatment of phobias. Phobias are treatable, and several therapeutic approaches are effective in helping individuals overcome them. These include exposure therapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and medication in some cases. Exposure therapy involves gradual and controlled exposure to the feared object or situation, allowing the individual to learn that it is not as threatening as initially believed. Evolutionary perspective. Some researchers argue that certain fears and phobias may have evolved as adaptive responses to specific threats. For example, Fear of snakes or spiders may have provided an evolutionary advantage to early humans by helping them avoid potential dangers. Cultural and individual differences. The experience of fear and the development of phobias can vary across cultures and individuals. What one person fears intensely, another may not find threatening at all. Cultural beliefs and personal experiences can influence the nature and intensity of fears and phobias. Future research. Ongoing research in this field aims to better understand the genetic and environmental factors that contribute to the development of phobias. Neuroimaging techniques and advances in genetics are helping uncover the underlying mechanisms of fear and phobias. The science of fear and phobias continues to advance, shedding light on the complex interplay between biology, psychology, and culture in shaping our emotional responses to potential threats. This knowledge can be applied to develop more effective treatments for phobias and anxiety disorders, improving the quality of life for those who experience them. Dear friend, I hope you benefited from the video. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoy content like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to stay updated with new videos. Also, if you liked it, be sure to leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Looking forward to seeing you again with new videos. I can't wait to bring you more knowledge from the enchanting world of science.